Nonprofit rock stars, we know these are unprecedented times. This disruption is unique. At the same time, we have been tested before. We know how to weather storms. We know how to do this. As you engage with your donors by phone, text, email, or video, I want you to have the right mindset. Your mindset is your beliefs and thoughts. They shape the way you think, feel, and act. Hi there, I'm Nancy Reeves, your fundraising coach. Let's make sure you have a healthy frame of mind before you correspond with donors. To guide you, here are 5 mindsets to master before connecting with your donors. Number 1, be positive. There are a good deal of positive and helpful gestures going on right now. For example, people are taking the social distancing serious. Whole Foods is offering special senior hours to minimize the virus exposure to the most vulnerable. General Mills, for example, says its food chain is operating effectively. When talking with donors, we want to be upbeat and positive. There is a lot of positive going on. Number 2, show compassion. When you contact your donors, ask right off how they are doing. If on the phone or video, pause and let them share how they are getting along. Be sensitive and caring. Express how appreciative you are of them and that you wanted to check on them. At what seems an appropriate time, let them know you thought they would want to know how things are going at the nonprofit. They are your supporters. Number 3, be authentic. Be transparent as you answer how the organization is faring. You want to be open. If you are struggling to meet needs, let them know. Just remember, don't paint a picture of such dire circumstances at your organization that you send a message that there is no solution in sight. There is always a solution. Be open but positive. Number 4, stay mission focused. Your conversation should be about the impact your organization is making, the impact of your work. Be intentional in how you frame your words. Don't say, "We need your help." Instead, express your needs in the students, the women, the children, the patients, for example, need your help and additional services. And always, always use stories as you share how you continue to serve your beneficiaries. Number 5, last, stay confident. This uncertainty and instability in our communities and with your nonprofit may make you feel off balance and unsure of yourself. As a nonprofit leader, you didn't get to where you are today by accident. You've got this. You can withstand this storm and others to come. Most important, have confidence in your abilities. Utilize your board. Love the donors you have and focus on the task at hand. Before I close, know that I'm offering my online fundraising course earlier than planned. This course is for those with revenue streams in jeopardy, a need to secure large gifts, or a need for a fundraising system to bring in more money. I teach you how to raise money beyond event fundraising. I provide a roadmap for you to raise more money through Major Gifts. To be notified of the course registration and also grab your free fundraising plan, click here. Share this message to those in your fundraising community. It's time to get a fundraising system in place. I look forward to seeing you next time.